Hello everyone, welcome to Kavin English Learning channel. Today also I am with a video of natural beauty, fountain. The fountain, into the sunshine, full of light, leaping and flashing from morn till night. Into the moonlight, whiter than snow, waving so flower-like when the winds blow. Into the starlight, rushing in spray, happy. At midnight, happy by day. Ever in motion, winsome and cheery, still climbing heavenward, never aweary, glad of all weathers, still seeming best, upward or downward, motion thy rest, full of a nature nothing can tame, change every moment, ever the same. Ceaseless spring, ceaseless content, darkness or sunshine, thy element. Glorious fountain, let my heart be fresh, changeful, constant, upward like thee. Thank you. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.